Hi guys, it's Alexandra and I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy everyday makeup routine. I'm starting off by using the Warrior palette and I'm taking this brown and I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid using a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just patting it back and forth all over my eye until I achieve my desired level of intensity. And in this clip you'll see me repeating that same exact step on my other eyelid. Using that same brush and the same color brown, I am now sweeping the brown back and forth in my crease right on the fold line of my eye just to really smoke it out. In this clip, you'll see me repeating that same exact step that I did before on my other eyelid, and I'm just using windshield wiper motions once again to deposit the color in my crease. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy crease brush and I'm just blending out the edges just to make sure that there's no harsh lines and that everything looks seamless and nicely blended into the skin. Off camera, I went ahead and applied my foundation. Now I'm going to be taking the Cream and Cheek lip tint in the shade Free Woman. I'm using a dense foundation brush to apply it, and I'm tapping that cream blush back and forth all over my cheekbones until I achieve the desired intensity that I'm looking for. I'm also applying a little bit of it to my nose because I really love looking super flushed in the cheeks and the nose, and I'm taking my foundation brush and just blending out any harsh edges. Now I'm taking the highlighter from the Riley Gaines collection. It's called the Butterfly Illuminator, and I'm going to be using it to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin, everything. I really encourage you guys to apply this highlighter over a cream product like our Cream and Cheek lip tints because it really allows the highlighter to pop and it makes it look so much more glowy. It's my favorite way to wear it, and I just absolutely love the way that it looks in the end. Next, I am taking our blush bouquet in the shade Garden Blush to apply even more blush, and I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. This is also going to help set the cream blush that we applied earlier, and I'm just tapping the blush all across the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm just swirling the color with my brush and blending everything out, making sure everything looks nice and seamless. And I'm also applying a little bit of blush to my nose. Now I'm going back in with the Warrior palette and I'm taking that same brown on a pencil brush this time, and I'm going to be running that shade along my lower lash line on both eyes, and a precise brush is the way to go for this because you don't want to use a brush that's too fluffy, otherwise you'll end up with raccoon eyes and that's not a good look. So a precise and tiny brush is the way to go. Once again, I am taking the Butterfly Illuminator and I'm going to be using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and to also add a nice pop of shimmer. And I'm using a super tiny flat shader brush to deposit that color so that it all stays in one place and it doesn't fluff everywhere. And then I'm just building up that color until I achieve my desired level of sparkliness. The final step in this makeup look is going to be applying lip gloss. So I'm taking our lip gloss in Pretty Little Patriot and I'm gliding it all over my lips and rubbing them together to deposit the color evenly. And now I'm taking our Lip Lover gloss in Adore You and I'm mixing that together with the Pretty Little Patriot gloss to get the perfect neutral girly pink. Here is the completed makeup look. I will have all the products I used listed in the description below. You can use my code Alexandra15 for 15% off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.